Hello kids, let's start with our history subject chapter 12 Progression of the Empire. Let's begin. Introduction. Till now we have learnt about the rise of the Maratha power and its expansion. In this chapter we will take a brief review of the Sardar families who gave their valuable contribution for expanding the Maratha kingdom in the northern parts of India. The Holkars of Indore. Mallara Holkar. He was the founder of the Holkar rule in Indore. He had served the Maratha state for a long time. He was well versed in guerrilla warfare. He was instrumental in establishing Maratha supremacy in Malwa and Rajputana and reviving the Maratha prestige in the north. Ahilyabai Holkar. Ahilyabai Holkar was the widow of Khanderao, the son of Holkar. She took over the reins of Indore administration after the death of Mallara. She made new laws for agricultural cess and revenue collection. She strove for digging wells, building lakes, tanks, temples, ghats, mats, dharamshala, drinking water facilities at places of pilgrimage. She looked into judicial matters personally and had great love for books. She ruled Indore ably for 28 years, brought peace and order to her kingdom, and made her people happy. Let us see the next. Yashwantrao Holkar. Yashwantrao Holkar tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline. The Bhosles of Nagpur. Parasoji Bhosle. He was given the Jagir of Varad and Gondwan by Shahu Maharaj. Raghuji Bhosle, he was the most competent and brave among the Bhosles of Nagpur. He had brought Tiruchirappalli and Erkot in the south under Maratha dominance. Shahu Maharaj had assigned Chauthai rights to Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to him. The Shindes of Gwalior. Ranoji Shinde, he was made a Sardar in the north by Peshwa Bajirao I. After his death, his sons Jayappa, Dattaji and Mahadeji to strengthen the Maratha rule in North India. Mahadi Shinde, son of Ranoji, and the family title was conferred on him by Peshwa Madhavrao. A brave general and astute statesman, he was instrumental in re-establishing the Maratha supremacy and prestige in North India. He trained his army and modernized artillery under the guidance of Dibonge, a French military expert. In many adverse circumstances, Mahaji Shinde defeated the British and reinstated the empire of the throne. The Mughal emperor had conferred on him the title of Vakil-e-Multak. He took care of administration of the Mughal Empire from 1784 to 1794. Due to the family feuds within the Peshwa family, Raghunath Rao opted to the British camp. This led to conflict with the British. The Marathas under the leadership of Mahaji Shinde defeated the British in the Battle of Vadgaon. After setting the affairs of Delhi in order, Mahaji Shinde came to Pune, where he died at Vanawadi. Other prominent Maratha Sardars. Who are they? The navy raised by Shivaji Maharaj was strengthened by Kanhoji Angre and his son Tulaji. With a strong navy, they defended the coastline of Maratha state from the Portuguese, the British and the Siddhis. Khanderao Dahabade and his son Trimbak Rao laid the foundation of Maratha power in Gujarat. After the death of Khanderao, his wife Umabai routed the Mughal Sardar of Ahmedabad. She conquered the fort there. The Gaikwads made Vadodara their seat of power later. The powers of Dhar and Devas in Madhya Pradesh rendered valuable assistance to the Shindes and the Holkars in expanding the Maratha power in the north. Nana Fadnavis. Nana Fadnavis was the famous administrator of the Peshwas and a Maratha statesman. He set right the affair of the Maratha state with the help of Patwardhans, the Rastes and Haripant Phadke in the south. As a result, Maratha supremacy was established in the south. The Holkars of Indore, Bhosles of Nagpur, Shindes of Gwalior, Gaikwads of Vadodara brought glory to the Maratha power on the basis of their valor, leadership, qualities, and capability. They were the pillars of the Maratha power in its last phase. Decline of the Maratha power. Let us see what it is. After the death of Mahaji Shinde and Nana Fadnavis, the Maratha power began to wane. Raghunath Rao, son Bajirao II, became the Peshwa. He did not have leadership qualities and failed to unite the Maratha Sardars. The internal strife among the Maratha Sardars weakened their power. End of the Maratha power. The British captured Pune in 1817 CE and hoisted their flag, Union Jack, there. In 1883, the British defeated Marathas in the Battle of Asti in Solapur district, and finally the Maratha power came to an end. The end of Maratha power paved the way for the British rule in India. The end of Maratha power marked the end of the medieval period of Indian history and the beginning of the modern period in Indian history.